Today we're looking into the story of Quincy Promes, a once celebrated football star who played for top clubs like Ajax and represented the Netherlands on the international stage. Known for his speed and goal-scoring ability, Promes built a strong reputation in European football, but in recent years, his life has taken a dramatic and troubling turn. So now, many are asking, where is Quincy Promes now? Let's find out. Quincy Promes enjoyed a successful football career, playing for clubs like Spartak Moscow and Sevilla, and earning over 50 caps for the Dutch national team. However, his career began to unravel due to serious legal issues. In 2023, he was convicted for stabbing his cousin during a family dispute. Then, in 2024, things escalated further when he was found guilty of drug trafficking linked to the smuggling of large quantities of cocaine. Despite these convictions, Promes initially avoided prison while living and playing football abroad. However, that changed in 2025, when he was arrested and extradited from Dubai back to the Netherlands to face justice. Since then, courts have taken a firm stance on his case. He has requested release while appealing his convictions, but those requests have been denied, meaning he remains in custody as his legal battles continue. In 2026, his situation took another turn when he reportedly admitted involvement in the stabbing incident, adding a new layer to his ongoing court proceedings. So, where is Quincy Promes now? As of now, Quincy Promes is in prison in the Netherlands, where he is being held while appealing multiple convictions, including assault and drug trafficking. He is expected to remain incarcerated as legal proceedings continue. From being a top-level footballer to facing years behind bars, Promes' story is a dramatic fall from grace, one that continues to unfold in the courts. Thanks for watching. If you want more updates on athletes and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know who you want next.